Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Kids Activity Kit is probably one of the most exciting and educational tools you can introduce to your children, offering a gateway to endless creativity and hands-on learning experiences right at home. These kits are meticulously designed to spark curiosity, develop fine motor skills, and encourage problem-solving abilities, all while providing hours of engaging fun that keeps young minds stimulated and entertained. Imagine the joy on your child's face as they embark on exciting projects, from crafting colorful masterpieces to conducting fascinating science experiments, fostering a love for discovery and learning that extends far beyond the confines of the kit itself. Number 5. National Geographic Earth Science Kit. Ignite your child's curiosity with over 100 exciting activities. This kit is packed with amazing experiments designed to make learning fun and engaging. Dive into the wonders of Earth science with hands-on projects. From growing crystals to erupting volcanoes, there's so much to explore and discover. This comprehensive science lab is perfect for group activities. It's designed for kids to share the joy of discovery with friends, family, and classmates. Our detailed learning guide makes understanding the science easy and fun. It helps children develop a lasting appreciation for Earth sciences through exciting experiments. With clear, step-by-step instructions, young scientists can build confidence. They can focus on the excitement of exploration and the thrill of discovery. We are committed to providing high-quality educational toys. Our exceptional service ensures your satisfaction, making this a gift that truly keeps on giving. What we like? This kit offers an incredible variety of over 100 activities, making it a comprehensive STEM learning experience. If you're looking for a single kit that provides endless exploration in Earth sciences, this is it. It's perfect for curious kids who love hands-on experiments and want to understand the world around them. What people say. The kit is packed with a variety of engaging activities that kept my children entertained for hours. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, making the setup process a breeze. My kids loved the creative aspect of the kit, allowing them to express their imagination through different crafts. Number 4. Creativity for Kids Rock Painting Kit. Discover the joy of creativity with this all-in-one rock painting kit. It's perfect for sparking imagination and bringing colorful designs to life. Paint these smooth stones with vibrant colors, then hide them for others to find. It's a wonderful way to share positivity and kindness in your community. This complete craft kit provides everything you need to get started. You'll find river rocks, waterproof paints, a brush, and even fun transfer designs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, this kit offers endless creative fun. It's an ideal gift for kids aged 6 and up who love hands-on activities. Take your creativity outside. Use these painted rocks as a fun activity to explore your surroundings and leave a little art for others to discover. Express yourself and build creative confidence with every stroke of the brush. This kit encourages self-expression and unique artistic exploration. What we like? This kit focuses on a unique blend of art and community engagement. If you want an activity that gets kids outdoors and spreading positivity, this is the one. It's ideal for families who enjoy creative projects with a meaningful purpose, encouraging both artistic expression and community connection. What people say. The kit includes a variety of craft supplies like glitter glue, googly eyes, and pipe cleaners, allowing for diverse creative projects. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for younger children, making it a great independent activity. The finished crafts are sturdy and look great, perfect for decorating a child's room or giving as gifts. Number 3. National Geographic Magic Chemistry Set. Prepare for 10 amazing science experiments that will blow your mind. Your kids can make a coin float, change watercolors, and create instant snow. Each experiment is designed as a magic trick to impress friends and family. With the included wand and gloves, they can truly play the part. Our unique guide features illustrated instructions and explains the science behind each trick. It's packed with fascinating facts and techniques used by real scientists. No need to search for extra supplies. This kit includes all the tools you need for every experiment, so the fun can start right away. From the creators of award-winning toys, this set fosters education, imagination, and creativity. Enjoy a stellar experience with our US support team. What we like? This set combines the wonder of magic with scientific principles for an engaging experience. If your child is fascinated by illusions and wants to learn the science behind them, this kit is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for aspiring young magicians who enjoy performing and impressing friends and family with cool tricks. What people say. This kit is packed with a variety of engaging activities that kept my children entertained for hours. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, making it a fun and stress-free experience for both kids and parents. The quality of the materials included in the kit was impressive, with durable components that held up well to repeated use. Number 2. WATINC Hand Puppet Making Kit. Introducing the WATINC Hand Puppet Making Kit, a complete DIY craft set designed for kids. It includes everything needed to create unique animal puppets, fostering hours of creative play and artistic expression. This educational toy enhances creativity, concentration, and fine motor skills through hands-on activities. It encourages problem-solving and cooperative play, making learning fun and engaging. Looking for a fun indoor craft activity? This kit provides an easy, safe, and incredibly fun way for children to create their own puppets and engage in imaginative play. An excellent birthday gift or holiday present, this kit is perfect for occasions like Christmas and Halloween. It's a meaningful gift that combines fun with developmental benefits. With 6 unfinished hand puppets and a variety of decorations, kids can customize their own designs. This arts and crafts activity sparks imaginative play and allows them to express their creativity. This comprehensive set provides all the craft supplies needed to design and create unique puppets. The easy-to-use materials make it an ideal educational craft for home or classroom use. What we like. This kit provides a tactile and imaginative crafting experience for younger children. If you're looking for an activity that encourages storytelling and role-playing, this is a great option. It's ideal for preschoolers and early elementary kids who love creating characters and bringing their own stories to life. What people say. The kit includes a variety of craft supplies like colorful beads, pipe cleaners, googly eyes, and glitter glue, allowing for endless creative possibilities. My child spent hours engaged with the kit, building different structures and characters, which was great for developing fine motor skills and imagination. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for younger children, and all the materials were non-toxic and safe for kids. Number 1. BAODLON Dinosaur Painting Kit for Kids. Discover the BAODLON Dinosaur Painting Kit, a fun and engaging way for kids to explore their creativity. It's perfect for sparking imagination and hours of artistic play. This kit includes 10 unique dinosaur figures and vibrant paints. Kids can bring these prehistoric creatures to life, building their very own dino world. With enough supplies for multiple children, this kit is ideal for siblings or friends to enjoy together. You can also join in for extra bonding and fun. Crafted from high-quality, safe PVC, these dinosaur toys are built to last. The non-toxic, water-based paints ensure a safe and enjoyable painting experience for little hands. More than just fun, this kit helps children develop essential skills. They'll learn about colors, enhance their creativity, and improve fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Looking for a unique gift? This dinosaur painting set is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for kids aged 4 to 10. It comes in attractive packaging, ready to delight. What we like. This kit offers a straightforward and enjoyable painting activity with a popular theme. If your child is a dinosaur enthusiast who loves to paint, this set is perfect. It's a great way for kids to express their creativity, develop fine motor skills, and create their own prehistoric world. What people say. The kit includes a variety of craft supplies like colorful beads, pipe cleaners, googly eyes, and fuzzy sticks, allowing for endless creative possibilities. My child spent hours engaged with the kit, building different structures and characters, which was a great way to keep them entertained and off screens. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for younger children, and the finished projects looked impressive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.